Hell guys, in this video we will see how to fix servers not responding in Fortnite. Easy fix for all platforms. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Check Fortnite server status. Content before attempting any local troubleshooting. Visit the official Epic Games status page. Epic Games come or check their official social media channels. Fortnite status on Twitter. This will confirm if the server's not responding error is due to a widespread outage, scheduled maintenance, or an ongoing issue impacting all players. If the servers are indeed offline or experiencing issues globally, you will need to wait for Epic Games to resolve the problem, as no local fix can address a server-side outage.
Step: restart game and platform. Content: a simple restart can often resolve temporary network glitches or software conflicts that prevent your game from connecting to the servers. Fully close Fortnite from your system's recent applications or task manager. After closing the game, perform a complete power cycle of your gaming platform. Shut down your computer and restart it for consoles, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. Turn off the console completely. Unplug it from the power source for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and power it on. Relaunch Fortnite after your system has fully restarted.
Step: verify internet connection stability. Content: ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning correctly. Test your network by opening a web browser and visiting several websites, or running a speed test on your device. If other applications or websites are also experiencing connectivity issues, the problem likely lies with your local internet service. Consider restarting your modem and router by unplugging them for 2 seconds and then plugging them back in if possible. Try connecting your console or directly to the router via an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi to rule out wireless interference.
Step: flushed and clear cache consoles. Content for users. Flushing your cache can resolve outdated IP address information that might be preventing proper server connection. Open command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig flushes. Then press enter. Restart your afterward. For console players, clearing the console's system cache can often fix connectivity issues by removing corrupted temporary data. The method varies by console. For PlayStation and Xbox, turn off the console completely. Unplug it for several minutes. Then plug it back in. For Nintendo Switch, go to System Settings, System Formatting Options, Clear Cache.
Step: reinstall Fortnite. Content: if all other steps fail, a corrupted game installation might be preventing you from connecting to the servers. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This process will ensure you have a fresh copy of the game files, eliminating any potential local file corruption. Remember that this can be a time-consuming process due to download size. Before uninstalling, ensure any important game settings or keybinds are noted, though most progress is server-side and will be retained after uninstallation. Download and install the game again from your platform's respective store or launcher.